So good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for joining us today. I'm Makoto Nakanishi, Dean of the Institute of Medical Science, the University of Tokyo, IMSUT for short. I would first like to apologize for the inconvenience of having to greet you via video, as I have been on some mission that took me up in Japan. Now it's a great pleasure to host the IMSUT New York Seminar 2024 with the theme Genomics from Diseases to Healthcare at the recently renovated New York office of the University of Tokyo. So I would like to thank all the speakers and participants for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us. So I know that you're all keen to enjoy the lectures, but please allow me to begin by introducing the history of this New York office and IMSUT itself, the site of our research. The University of Tokyo New York office, also known as U-Tokyo New York, was established in 2015 under the initiative of two Tokyo institutes, the Institute of Industrial Science, or IIS for short, and IMSUT, to facilitate research as well as academic and social collaboration activities in the United States. So subsequently, in 2019, based on the experience and knowledge cultivated by both institutes, the New York office was transformed as an open base available for a variety of purposes across the university, with the University of Tokyo itself serving as a management entity instead of the previous operation by IIS and IMSUT. This expanded the functions of the New York office. So U-Tokyo New York is located right here in the Midtown Manhattan, the prime location in a business district line with Japanese US headquarters, US companies, and other international business firms allows U-Tokyo New York to serve as a networking platform for Japanese, American, and other global institutes in North America. Moreover, U-Tokyo New York's geographic advantage is further demonstrated by its proximity to other US leading universities, as illustrated here. So furthermore, in 2020, U-Tokyo New York was further transformed into its current futuristic office, and the U-Tokyo New York Salon, equipped with its newly designed open space to serve as a communication hub for researchers, international students, alumni, supporters, and stakeholders, promoting the University of Tokyo's research finding and collaborative project in the US, and holding seminars, workshops, and meetings in New York's prime location. Specifically, U-Tokyo New York promotes the following activities as its core activities: disseminate information on U-Tokyo's academic and research activities, and host events organized by U-Tokyo and/or its departments, with an emphasis on form networks with US alumni and universities, and form networks with the Japanese companies. Through these efforts, the university plans to raise awareness of the university's educational and research activity in the US, and to make it the core base for social collaboration in North America. Specifically, the office will develop as an overseas hub for our university's international network by strengthening its function as a study and training base for students and staff, and as a dissemination and exchange base for strengthened support, and by promoting strengthened partnership with the US universities and institutions, and connecting with other universities' overseas offices, including in Europe. We will continue to develop U-Tokyo New York's capacity to serve as an overseas hub for U-Tokyo's international network. Just with the strengthening of U-Tokyo New York's activity in mind in its role as the University of Tokyo's core overseas base, and with the aim of giving back our results to society by promoting the exchange of research and academic activities. IMSUT and IIS jointly held the U-Tokyo New York annual conference back in November 2015, 2017, and 2018 at this New York office. These are the photos of the opening ceremony and inaugural seminar held in November 2015, where you can see the slightly younger President Fuji, then director of IIS, as well as former IMSUT Dean Kiyono and ex-IMSUT Dean Murakami. These are photos from 2017, and the fact that President Fuji has been participating in the conference without fail shows that he has placed great importance on the U-Tokyo New York even then. Finally, here are some photos from 2018. As mentioned above, IMSUT, in collaboration with IIS, has contributed to the opening and development of U-Tokyo New York. But unfortunately, IMSUT has not reached the level of recognition envisioned. Therefore, I'd like to take this opportunity to briefly introduce IMSUT. The original organization of this institute was established by Dr. Shibasaburo Kitasato in 1892 as a private institute named as the Institute of Infectious Diseases, or IID for short. Dr. Kitasato was the top researcher who discovered Clostridium tetani and Yersinia pestis and contributed to establishment of their therapy. The IID was then reorganized into the current organization and renamed as IMSUT in 1967 in order to expand its sphere to include oncology, immunology, and many other medical sciences in addition to microbiology. So as the founder of our institute, Dr. Kitasato emphasized three important guiding principles for IID. Namely, first is practical science, second is comprehensive research, and third is disease prevention. Of course, IMSUT inherited and carries on these three principles, and we stand ready to confront medical science in a new era. For instance, AI-assisted medical science, which we confront by taking advantage of our in-house supercomputer Shirokane and our in-house hospital. Although I do not fully understand these numbers, collectively they mean that our in-house supercomputer Shirokane is the biggest system in Japan specialized for life science data analysis. And this is an exterior appearance of our in-house hospital, which is very important for us. Also, IMSUT emphasizes its free and interdisciplinary research environment, balancing a wide range of research from LC, ethical, legal, and social issues, and RRI, responsible research and innovation, to information science, pharmacology, and medicine. So this AI-assisted medical science should include basic, translational, and clinical sciences, which should mutually inspire and build off of each other with medical science as an essential keyword. For addressing problems in the new era, IMSUT has 3 research departments, 7 research centers, and a research hospital. Actually, IMSUT is the only national university institute with an in-house hospital in Japan. The research department propels mainly basic science endeavors that arise through individuals' scientific curiosity, while IMSUT Hospital propels translational and clinical research efforts to help patients and prevent diseases. The research centers connecting these two wings have their own missions, namely translational research efforts aimed at creating brand new, unprecedented therapeutics. These three institutional organs working together to create virtuous cycles bench to bed and bed to bench to help patients and prevent diseases. Finally, just for your reference, we have 29 full professors, 46 PIs, 258 academic staffs, 213 graduate students, 8 affiliated graduate schools, and 122 beds in the hospital as of July 2023. So obviously, this does not make IMSUT big enough to advance alone, and thus we are keen to further enhance international collaboration. Therefore, we believe it is very important to disseminate our research results the world here at the U Tokyo, New York office, and to generate interest in our work through interactions with researchers and residents in New York. With this in mind, following the resolution of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have launched a new annual seminar series, the IMSUT New York Seminar, starting in 2023. Last year, the first year of the series, we invited 3 New York-based researchers to explore the theme of frontiers in new medical sciences and their exploding clinical applications. So, okay, I think I should stop the introduction of the IMSUT here, as I was so enthusiastic in my explanation that it took a while to finish. So please accept my apology. Now, I would like to introduce today's main program, Genomics from Disease to Healthcare. Needless to mention, as the title suggests, 6 world leaders in their fields will speak about cutting-edge research in the field of disease genomics. So I'd like to deeply thank all speakers, especially external speakers, for their kind acceptance of our invitation. And also, I'd like to cordially introduce the 6 distinguished speakers. So first, Dr. Tatsuhiro Shibata from IMSUT specializes in cancer genomics, especially for tumor pathology and bioinformatics, and will present ancestry genomic analysis of gastric cancer reveals unique cancer risk factors in Japanese and East Asian population. Dr. Nicholas Lobine of New York Genome Center is working on a project applied to cancer genomics and functional genomics and will present cancer genomics and cancer disparities research at the New York Genome Center. Dr. Mark Ledani of Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center is a molecular pathologist. Today, he will talk about clinical cancer genomics as a driver of advances in oncology. So Dr. Natsuhiko Kumasaka from IMSUT specializes in statistical genetics and will talk about understanding the function of non-coding DNA. Dr. Yoshiko Mito from Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai is a basic scientist in molecular genetics and will present the clinical application of cell-free DNA screening by next-generation sequencing. So Dr. Seiya Imoto of IMSUT specializes in computational biology and statistics. Today, he will present metagenome analysis is a paradigm shift in health medical care. Needless to mention, after each lecture, there will be time for questions and answers, and I hope that all participants will feel free to ask any questions you may have. Again, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who has gathered here and to all concerned, including the fabulous staff organizing this seminar, and I hope all of you will find the seminar of great value. Please enjoy all the lectures. Thank you very much for your attention.